Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can hide your activity on Instagram. So let's just open the Instagram application and go to this Messenger tab. I'm just going to show you what active means. For instance, if you're active now, this will show on your sort of Messenger your direct messages, and this will also show so like when they're online, and it'll also show like when they were active, for instance like 5 minutes ago. And I am just going to go back, and I am going to go to my profile page, and to hide my activity I'm going to press on these three lines on the top right corner, go to the settings tab, and I am going to go to the privacy tab. And as you can see, there is an activity sort of status sorry, tab, and currently my activity status is on, but if I turn it off, they won't be able to see my activity. So in this description, it'll say allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you are active or were last active on Instagram apps. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. So if I turn it off, I won't be able to see their activity status too. So let's just turn this off by just sliding it to the left. And let's just go back, and go to the, actually I can just go to the home page, and if I view the direct messages sort of tab here, as you can see, the activities tab is no longer there. I meant like their activity status is no longer there. That's what I meant. I'm so sorry. Okay, and that is basically it for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and please subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, please don't be shy and write it down in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.